Yes, can you look up an account number for me? I have a partial one.
How about the social?
Sure. It is... Yeah, so I paid this debt within 30 days of receiving the initial communication from you guys. And after I paid it, it reported on my credit. So I just applied for a home loan, and they're hitting my interest rate by a full percentage. So I consulted with an attorney, and they said that this should have been removed and never reported.
That's not true, sir. That is absolutely not true. In the nature of this business, we update accordingly. Update zero balance or paid in full, which was done back in September 2018. We are responsible for updating honestly and accurately based on the Fair Debt Collection Action.
Correct. And the Fair Debt Collection Practices Act states that within 30 days of the initial communication, if a payment is made, then it cannot be reported on the credit report.
Hold on, sir. You don't know. You got to.
Thanks for holding. We appreciate your time and patience. Please stay on the line. We'll be back in just a moment.
I had management look at that, and we looked at the date we received it and the date that actually you made a payment.
It's not about the date you received it. It's about the date of the first communication, and I paid it within 30 days of the first communication.
Allow me to finish.
Sure.
All right. So after management review, there are in agreement that we're going to be okay with a deletion on that.
Okay.
So I need something. You gotta let me finish, sir.
I'm listening.
So with email or something from you, that more or less an email, will send an agreement to be sent to you of our condition and our agreement to remove this from the credit report. Johnson, the one servicing in the account at this time, and now it's been requested to pass this off to management so they can indeed send this information to you as we agreed by email.
Perfect. And then if there's anything else, do I just call you back, or should I be receiving that email today?
You'll be receiving emails, so I doubt very seriously you have to call back. But
okay. Thank you so much for your help.
Once I got the approval, it's a done deal. But I understand your concern, and it's not like we don't want to be cooperative in helping, but I had to get management involved in this extreme situation that we were doing, because it's not like every situation is the same. You know what I mean?
Hey, I hear you 100%, and I appreciate you going to bat for me.
Okay, so giving you my name, let me pass this off to management now so they can take care of this, because we're going to be out of here soon. We're only here until like 3:30.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Enjoy your weekend.
Let me get on.
If you found this video to be helpful, please like it, subscribe to our channel, and leave us a positive comment below. I read all of the comments, and I love you guys. So keep up the great work, and I will see you on the next video.